Class 8. I think you all are going through the studies that we are sending you. If you don't follow it, then it will be a problem for you to understand how to read the maths. Now, the great river valleys. There are many rivers that are coming from the mountains or starting from the mountains and plateaus of Asia. These rivers are mostly snow-fed. Snow-fed means the rivers which forms as the snow starts melting. How? There are big glaciers, large big glaciers which move slowly to the lower portion of the earth. They move slowly down. When they reaches to the plains areas where the temperature is very high, those snows start melting. And from those melted snow we get water. In India, Ganga is one such river which is been snow-fed, that is from Gangotri, and Yamuna from Yamunotri. So, now snow-fed and perennial rivers. The valleys of these rivers are very fertile. As they are moving from the mountains, they are carrying small particles as they rushes over the stones and the mountains. So these fine particles, when the glaciers come and start melting, it starts depositing from the mouth of the, not much in the mouth, but as it goes to the plain areas, where they find the plain areas, from there they start dropping this fertile soils. And that's why these areas are fertile, and most of the population in the world have been found in this riversides only. Like the Mesopotamian civilization near the Tigris and the Euphrates River, Indus Valley civilization near the Gangetic India plain, Brahmaputra, Chao-Phraya and Meinam, Changjiang and Yangtze, Wang Ho and Qing. These are the of Chinese. So Chinese civilization have came up near Wang Ho River. Then small plains have been formed along the river Irrawaddy. Irrawaddy is in Bhutan, Salween, Mekong and Amur. The Mesopotamian plains, that is today's Iraq, consist between the land of two rivers, that is Tigris and Euphrates. 1 minute, let me show you. Now, here, if you see, I am bringing it closer so that you can go through it properly. Here, if you see properly, this is Tigris and Euphrates River. You can see here. So these are the two rivers. This is the river where the Mesopotamian civilization have came up. So being on both the sides there is river, this portion of the land was very fertile. Next is the river Indus. As in India, you see here the Indus is flowing. So Punjab was known as the Doab because 5 rivers are flowing over here: Indus, Ravi, Vyas, Jhelum, Chenab. Now this is the place where the civilization started, because being near the river the soil was very fertile. Next is the Ganga Brahmaputra plain. This is Ganga Brahmaputra, both sides the rivers of this river, the land is very fertile. These plains are spread across North India and Bangladesh. See, whole North India Ganga is flowing, and here Brahmaputra, and then they go into Bangladesh. These plains are spread across North India and Bangladesh, which makes this land fertile, and people settled here. Only maximum of the civilization started in those areas only. Now, apart from this, there are plains in Wang Ho River. Like this is Wang Ho, this is the Wang Ho River, Yangtze River. This is the area where Chinese civilization have come up, namely Wang Ho, Changjiang and Xikiang. The Changyang and Yangtze in Asia, this is the 1 minute. This is the longest river of Asia, Yangtze, with a length of about 6,300 kilometers. Then is the Manchurian Plain. It is formed by the river Amur, and the plains of Indochina are formed here. Next, river Mekong and Menam. River Irrawaddy forms a larger plains in Myanmar. If you see, this is river Irrawaddy. If I can show you which. This is Indochina. Okay, I can't show you properly, it is not coming properly. So that is today's Myanmar. The three island chains. There are three chains of island in this whole map. What is here? This part of Asia. Here is in one island. Here is one island chain. Now, what are the three island chains? The river series of island chains lie in the east and southeast of mainland Asia. These are the groups of islands which forms an arc or archipelagus. From the tip of Kamchatka Peninsula in the Pacific onwards, there are Kunil Islands, the Japanese islands, Hokkaido and Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. The Ryukyu Islands, the Philippines and the Indonesian islands. In India also there are two sets of islands, that is Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands in South Asia. Apart from this, we have island neighbors also like Sri Lanka and Maldives. 1 minute, let me show you all those things. This is Sri Lanka, as you know, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. Now here comes this Indonesian areas, Java, Sumatra, Bali. These are all Timor. Okay. Next comes Philippines. Here you see, this is the Japan, the Honshu, Hokkaido. These are all islands. Okay. Those who are studying, you can find it here only. You don't have to search other places. Next remains Philippines. So let's here India and this is Sri Lanka, and here, as the map is not bigger, here you can find Maldives, Mauritius, all those islands, and Philippines far in this side. If it would have been big one, you could have find Philippines here. So that's all about your chapter.